back. So today I'm going to be showing you more mini Lego vehicles. So this is going to be the third part, and I'm going to be showing you planes because in my original mini Lego vehicles tutorial you guys loved the plane, and I want to show you even more, so let's go. So these are the three planes. There's an F-22, there's a Cessna Citation, and a P-51 Mustang. So this is a private jet, and it kind of looks like the Lego VIP plane set right there. That's what it kind of looks like, but in miniature form. And these are all minifigure scale, micro figure scale. So this guy right here, he's one of these super small trophy figures with the Lego, and these are all to scale with those guys. So you could put all these together and they could all be the same scale to each other. So the P-51 Mustang is a famous World War II fighter plane, and this is what it looks like right here, the miniature version. And yeah, that's what it looks like. And this propeller right here can spin freely, so it actually spins. And yeah, there's some wheels down there. That's what this one looks like. So I'm going to do the tutorial on this one right now. So these are all the parts you'll need for the P-51 Mustang. So you can pause the video right now and get all the pieces, and then you can build along. But this piece right here and the propeller are kind of hard to come by. They're kind of hard to get, but if you have them, it'll work. And then this is a 3-block long bar right there. And then there is a stud with a hole in it right there. So to start off, you're going to want to grab this 1x4 and then put the 1x3 right there. And then underneath the 1x3, place these 2 black studs. And then, like this. And then you just want to put the wings like this on there. And if you want the landing gear to be retract, you can just take off the studs. And yeah. So next you're going to want to get a 1x2 right here and put the 1x3 plate on top of it. And another 1x3 like that. So it kind of looks like this T kind of with an extended bottom like that. And then you're going to want to get a 1x1 and put it right there. And then get a 1x1 tile, put it right there. And then a 1x2, and then just get the mini slopes and put them like this, and then put this part of it on the back like that. So get this 1x1 snot brick right here and put this one right here, like sideways on it like that, and then put these 2 dark clear mini slopes like that on it, and then get the 1x2 and put it right there. And then get this weird roundish piece and, roundish tile and put it right there. And then get the 1x1 plate and put it right on there, like that. And then this build goes right here, like that. So next get these 2 pieces right here with this little clip on the end and put them together like that. And then get the 1x3 bar and put it in there so it's flush with the back of it, like that. And then get these 2 bushing pieces right here, whatever they are, and put them right there. And then get this mini slope and put it right there on it, so it should look like that. And then get the propeller, put it on there, and get the stud with a hole in it and put it right there. And you got yourself your front propeller that goes right on here, and there's the P-51 Mustang. So like I said earlier, this is a Cessna Citation, and it's kind of like the Lego set that I showed you, and it looks really good, so let's build. So these are all the pieces you'll need. These wheels right here and this piece right here are going to be probably the hardest to find, but this one right here is just like the 1x1 tile with this little knobby at the top type thing, and these wheels are just the 2x2 wheel holder thing. And yeah, pause the video right now, and then you can follow along. So to start off, you're going to want to grab one of these pieces, and this is optional to put these pegs in, but it makes it so it's not like you can't see straight through the plane. But just put pegs in here, and then if you look at how there's little slits, you can line them up so that they're like up and down. And that makes it so it looks like it's a super small detail, but it makes it look better if you look at it super close up. So you can line all those up like that, but I won't right now. So just put all those in like this, and don't put them in these end two right there. And then get the other white piece like this and put it right on there like that. And there you go. So get the 2x2 right here, and then get this piece and put it like that on it, and then get the black mini slopes and put them right there on it, and then get a black 1x2 and put it right there like that, and then get these curvy white pieces and put them both right there. And then after that you put this whole build onto, oh wait, put this right there on it, put the front pieces on right there, and then you want to put it on the build that we built a second ago, and put it right there, and make sure these two hollow windows right there are at the back. And then you're going to want to put the 2x3 right there on the bottom of those, and then the 2x4, and then the 2x2. So get a 2x3 black plate and put it back here on the plane, and then get this black mini slope right here, or not mini slope, upside down slope, and then get all these white mini slopes and put them like this, so in 3 rows like that on both sides, so like this. And then get 1 block wide ones and put them right there, white ones, and then get 2 black ones and put them right there like that. And then you're going to want to put a 2x2 jumper plate just right there, and then put the other 2 just normal jumper plates just right there, and you're good. So get a white 1x2 and put it at the end of the white, so right there. And then get these wings and put them like that on the bottom. And then get this 2x2 wheel right here and put them right there. Put it right there. And then to make the front wheel, you're gonna want to get this piece right here and a white stud with a hole in it, and like that. And then put the wheel piece right there, so it looks like that. And then that white stud with a hole in it goes in that front one right there. Like that, and yeah, and you can always take off the landing gear like the last one if you want it to be like flying. So yeah, now we're going to build the engines of it. So you just get this black piece right here and put a dark gray piece, the dark gray cone on top, and then put the black cone on the bottom, and then get the 1x3 black tiles and put that middle part on the stud, so right there. And do that on 3 of the sides, so like that. And we're going to want to make another one, so just make another one. I'll make another one for you. It's here, and then 1 of them, 2, and then 3, and they're built the exact same. And get the plane and put that stud right there, and the dark gray facing the back. Put that stud right there in the back far one, so right there, and that one, like that. And do the same for the other side, so that stud goes into that hole, so it goes right there. And those are the engines on the plane. So now you're going to want to get this this slope right here, and put it right against those mini slopes right there, and get a 1x1, put it on the other jumper plate, and then a mini slope, and it goes right on top of that other slope, so right there. And then 1x1 plate goes right there, and then the 1x3 tile goes right on there, and that's this plane right here. So this is the F-22 Raptor, and it's a fighter jet in the U.S. Air Force, and it can actually go Mach 2 in real life, which is really fast. And yeah, so now we'll get building. So these are all the pieces you'll need. You can pause the video and grab the pieces and come back. There is a lot of pieces for this fighter jet. But the hardest pieces to find are probably going to be these right here. They're like this stud with a bar attached to it. And this is what it looks like right there. And instead of using those, if you don't have them, you can build the wheel like how it is on this VIP jet we built, like that. So you can always build it like that. And yeah, those are the pieces you'll need. So to start, you're going to want to grab this piece right here and put this piece right there just on the bottom, like that. And then you're going to want to put the 1x4 right there, and then get this 1x4 brick with studs on the sides and put mini slopes on it like this. So like this bump pattern, like that on both sides. So like this and like this. So like that, and then that goes just right there. And then get a 2x6 and put it right against that. And get a 1x2 and put it right there. And then these two like miniature wing pieces kind of go right there on it. And then the 1x2 tiles go right there and right there. And then the 1x2 plates go on the bottom, right here and right here, like that. Now you want to grab two 1x2s and put them right there in those two spots, right there, and then get these two 1x2s with the extra like bar on the end, and put them right there in those two spots, and then get this 1x4 plate right here, put it on right there, and then get these two 1x2s with like the side bricks like that, and put them right there, and then on top of those bricks get 1x2 mini slope and put it right there, another one right there, and then get a 1x2 and just put it on right there, and then a jumper plate right there. So to start, get a 4x4 plate and put it right there, and then get a 1x4 plate and put it right there, and a 2x4 plate and you put it right there. And then now you want to put two studs in the front on that jumper plate like that, and this piece right there with studs on all four sides, and then one more stud right there, and then put a normal brick up front like that, and then a cone like that. And then on the bottom you're going to want to put this piece so it looks like that, and then 1x3 goes right there like that, and then the other 1x3 same thing on the other side. And then you want to do this top part, so get this and then put this on this side, this right there, and then another plate right there, mini slope, and then another mini slope, and then this goes right there on this thing, so it looks like that. Actually, this goes one stud back like that. So now you want to put a 2x4 plate right there, and then put 4 of these curvy pieces just like that on it, so like that, and then on the other side too, so right there. And then you want to get mini slopes and put them like this in right there, so like that, and then put them like this, so it's like checkered kind of, and then a 1x1 right there, and then do that same thing on the other side, so a 1x1 right there, and then a 1x2 mini slope, and then we're going to do more 1x2 slopes, so down this middle is all 1x2s like that. And so we do that, and then in the back right here, those two studs on either side are going to be like that and like that. So now we're going to build the wings, so you're going to want to get those two pieces and get this 2x2 right here, and then with those two wings right there put a 2x3 like that, so it should look like that, and then get a 1x3 and put it on right there, and then get the 2x2 and it attaches on like the top of that piece like this, and then just get a 1x4 and put it on top, so on top of both of these, so it looks like that, and that holds it all together. And then you want to do the other side, so put these together on there, and then hook them together like this. So I go like that, and then get a 1x3, put it right there, put the 2x2 on top of it, and then a 1x4 that goes on the top of both of them like that again. And then to put these on, get the build and put them on like that on that side, and then like that on that side. Next we're going to make the vertical stabilizers, so you're going to want to grab these two wings right here and then put a 2x2 plate on them like that, and then get these clippy pieces and put them on right there. And then you're going to want to do that again, exact same thing for the other side. So just put those on like that, and then put two clips on there like that, and then these just connect right into the spots where you probably think they go right there. They connect on right there, and then push them out all the way, and do that the other side, connect it and push it out all the way. You're going to want to flip it upside down like this, and then get these two pieces and put the dark bluish gray stud in it like that, so that way, and then put it right there on that part of it. And then you're going to want to do two of these, so put them like this for these ones, the opposite way of that one, and then these ones will just go right here on the back of those 1x2s, and then I'll do one more on the back, so right, and then it goes right there, and there's the F-22. So guys, this was actually the third part of the Mini LEGO Vehicles tutorial series, so I have the other two linked down in a playlist if you haven't seen those, and make sure to comment down below what you think part 4 should be of Mini LEGO Vehicles tutorials, and as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell.